it's over, and then the other tire's kind of in the middle, so it feels weird.
I should have died out a long
Working out suspension now.
time before. Have pity on a dinosaur. And in my hat, excuse me, man.